E flat major. This scale has 3 flats, E flat, A flat and B flat, and because we're starting on an E flat, we have an E flat up top as well. We're going to start on finger 2, 2, thumb under, 1, 2, 3, 4, thumb under onto C, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4 over onto B flat, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. 2 on E flat, thumb under onto F, 2, 3, 4, thumb onto C, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4th on B flat, 3, 2, 1, 2. In the left hand we start on 3, 3, 2, 1, cross over 4th onto A flat, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, thumb under onto G, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Hands together, 3 starts in the left, 2 in the right. Thumb under, 4th over, thumb under, 4th over, thumb under,